Hello Artbugs, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, a big fat welcome to you too. So today I'm going to share with you all a fashion illustration. So firstly I'm drawing it with an HB pencil on the watercolor paper. The drawing is done and I set the paints, palette, brushes, micron pen, 2 glasses of water and tissue paper. Now I am making the outlines of the drawing with my micron pen. If you want to buy it, you will get the link in the description box below. So now I am applying colors. I mixed burnt sienna and white for the skin. Today I want to tell you something, and the thing is that I opened my Instagram account where I'm posting my artworks. But other than artworks, there are two new things. Number one, I am posting a glimpse of the artworks before posting it on YouTube, and number two, I do craftworks too, so I'm going to put my craftworks too in my Instagram. So you should definitely follow me on Instagram if you want to see some more works other than YouTube, and you can also tag me your artworks there. I'm going to put the Instagram name somewhere in the video. Find it out and comment down below. I'll pin the first 5 comments who will write my Instagram name correctly. I guess it'll be fun. Now I'll apply black for making the dress. Now I am doing the small details with my micron pen. Applying white gel pen for some more details. Now as the painting is done, I'll remove the masking tapes and show you the final look.